Good afternoon, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass. We're out here at the Mormon Rocks, right around milepost 60.2. We've got a BNSF manifest train coming in. Looks like it's on main track number 2, westbound. Let's enjoy. Ready to rock, buddy? All right. Beautiful. Missing some letters. Got the doors replaced. Thank you. Awesome. Thanks, man. Let's give us the peace sign. I probably missed it. I hope not. ES44 AC over there in the back. Got a -9 in front of that. Give the dog a bone. He got us another salute. All right, tank car, auto racks, box cars. It's all LPG. Not sure about those last two. Definitely a mixed freight train. It's got a lot of different type units in it. Beautiful sky out here. Not much wind today. About 72 degrees. Just about perfect. All right, now we're getting into some international containers and some well wagons. That auto rack was empty. Give him that belly roll, bud. Want to play dead? It's hard work getting horn salutes. He's worn out. Conrail. Nice East Coast visitor there. Always welcome here. CP. Another CP with a different logo. Well, it's about our 5th train today, and we haven't got one intermodal yet. That's good. Like how it leans into the curve there. It's a thing of beauty. All right, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass. Give us a like, share with your friends. Buddy said subscribe to the channel. All right, buddy? They better. Mormon Rocks. Love you guys. We will catch you on the next one. Take care.